Hello, guys. So, welcome to tonight's show. My name is CHUKS, and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So, if today not the first time we see our program for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So, for now, I'm gonna start with tonight's show. All right, so Tijani Rangers, maybe one of the players of Manchester City. So he can talk about the title race like they always do. So instead to be honest, say them they confident, say they go catch us now. Say now the truth be that. Say then go catch us. More. I say wow. This one a mind like mind game go call am. Because if you read the entirety of the reports put out by the London Evening Standard, they say it is their job to apply pressure on Arsenal. But if you look how the thing they go, you go see say now Arsenal and they apply pressure on them. Because now you they apply pressure on us, but now you they draw points. Which means now you the pressure they affect. Now, Man City are confident of beating Arsenal to the Premier League title, says Starman. Now, who's the Starman talking? So that's Tijani Rangers. So he says Man City are confident of catching Arsenal and winning the Premier League title this season. That's according to Tijani Rangers, who says City must win this weekend derby against Manchester United on Saturday if they are to mount a stunning title win. Now I'm waiting Baba the talk. Now, when you read further down the report, so Iko talk say we have to keep the pressure on Arsenal. So it's very important for us to win this game and get in the right flow again. You get so you're telling the Times and the London Evening Standard can carry the story. You get so instead we are pretty confident of catching Arsenal. To be honest, we all feel like we are really growing this season, and that's a good sign. So we have the feeling that we have not reached our ceiling yet. Now, anything where they feel, Arsenal can feel the same way too. And what they don't understand is say we are hungrier than them. You get so that run. I still wait for that their run. Or should be they say they usually do run and they will go 20 matches, they'll beat everybody. Oh yeah, I still dey wait make I see how everything go unfold at the end of the day. Now, so Hasselbank come dey talk say im think say when season wan start say Arsenal go bench Trossard. They say they go replace am. Either dem bench am or they go replace am, but he was wrong. So he come dey apologize to Trossard. Say he agree say Trossard prove am wrong because this season he no give Trossard any chance. You get and no be only him. Many of us say omo make dem tell the guy make he find square root o, this one wey no dey contribute. But this season Trossard shock everybody. So he said, with all due respect to Trossard, I am surprised. Hasselbank said on Sky Sports before the Arsenal 3-2 Carabao Cup semi-final first leg win over Chelsea. I thought at the start of the season that they needed something better in that position, but he has done a hell of a job. He filled that spot really, really well. He scored some seriously important goals at important times. He's surprising me, and you can only say, well done to him. You get, and no be lie, Trossard really, really did well. You get, so I didn't think he had it in him, but he's been doing it week in, week out now. He's playing in front of Gabriel Martinelli also, and I didn't think that would happen. Trossard started this our obviously. Trossard na our first 11 now. So Martinelli na second 11 now. Everybody know this one, so no secrets for that one. Get now talking about Trossard, I am very very happy. Did any of us see Trossard becoming a regular and Martinelli relegated to the bench? Not many saw it coming, but me, I don't dey talk am right from time. Say under normal circumstances, Martinelli is not the one in the first 11. Get men they come from bench using speed, similar to what Wenger was doing with Walcott. Come from the bench, use your speed, destroy them. Now, what we know Martinelli for? You get, and what they do this season. So everybody they contribute in own quota. You get, as we plan to try to win something this season. Now, away from that, so Shondai when they talk about Zinchenko future, you get as because the rumor don't come outside in the morning. Shondai don't confirm and say yes. The truth is, we spoke to the player and we made it clear in his situation. He's aware of that. So we will see what happens. We are being open with him. He's a thorough professional, and he has been, and I am sure he will be going forward, whatever happens. The truth is, nobody Shondai brings Zinchenko come. I think it was Nuno, best na Nuno Espirito Santos. Now him bring and come. Yes. So with what can happen, it's quite sad. And we will go play that. Obviously, it's not going to feature against us because we are an experienced club. We are playing Nottingham Forest next. So I don't see anything bringing the two of us together. Now, Premier League pundit says Ben White to Liverpool would make sense, and Daniel Murphy. Now they talk this and say maybe Liverpool can sign Ben White. Although they say think say Arsenal would like to sanction the move to one of their rivals because it no go really make any sense. Unless Ben White is going to be adamant and say, I want to go, I want to go. But it no see it happening. And me too, I don't see it happening. That's just the truth. Now, away from that, so you get one video with the trend also. As Declan Rice won't play corner kick, where we take score, where Ben White take score for that Chelsea game, Chelsea fans just the blast am. They just the insult am. When they wonder what him do them, they just the insult am. So as he come cross the ball, as to score, he turn, they look there, on the laugh. Then somebody insult am. That video dey very very funny. You get it? Before you play the corner, they talk. And not really no talk. Traitor. Well, I ain't tell you traitor. You play for okay. If let's say again when they want, but you play for them, they pursue him now. But they can't find I no agree go back to. They don't say this guy don't go to Chelsea before. Like Chelsea pursue him. Yeah. So that's what I know why they call it traitor. Like say the one sign I no agree. It's just very very funny. Now, you know that video. This I did a reaction video like this evening, while they talk about Bukayo Saka not giving Gyökeres the pass, just seconds before Ben White's going to give him the pass when they score. So look that picture with a circle. Now when Gyökeres is showing frustration, when Saka no give him and pass, like, oh my God. Although we know everything they talk share, but he was a bit frustrated. Then reach like some few seconds later, Ben White just carry ball square play, come wait there, score, hit the ball. That's why I know really celebrate when supposed to celebrate because instantly vex. Now ESPN UK don't carry the same story. For you to know say this thing now major talking point. Everybody they talk about and say they know to give this guy, but they don't give this guy now major something now. You get that's why I addressed it. No be something we will go hide from. You get it has to be addressed, and I want to believe Ateta they talk to them about this thing. In fact, make I come on this picture first. Man, we'll address this thing. You know, everything what they talk about, it's there for the media space. The players are seeing it. Forget the players are seeing it. They feel they watch TV, they feel they watch BBC Sports, Sky Sports, Talk Sports. The players are seeing every narrative. They just choose not to react. Not be yesterday, the Athletic, yesterday or the first day, the Athletic dropped an article. Kotegana will be their journalists where they specify on Real Madrid. In bring one story, say one of the people where they against Xavi Alonso made a push on, now Jude Bellingham. The Athletic write the article. Bellingham had to come outside and say that is a load of like bull crap. So what kind of rubbish article is that? Now we just put lies. As in he was forced to come out and drop a statement saying that rubbish on the right. You don't have who is the source. You don't have to get all this rubbish. So maybe for no say every player they are seeing all these things. That they choose not to say anything does not mean they are not seeing it. Now back to this Gyökeres matter. All the narrative of they know to give and pass, they know to give and pass in this year. Just the bottle everything down. You just be say you get where something go do too much, you go come bust out, say what's the saw. So now we say ESPN UK don't carry on. They say Victor Gyökeres' reaction to Bukayo Saka not passing to him in the build-up to the goal versus Chelsea. You don't see him. For you to know, say everybody they see him. Now, if everybody they say, you cannot tell me Ateta is not seeing it. Albert Stubenberg, who is the assistant manager, is not seeing it, or Gribel Hines, who's the assistant, is not seeing it. Somebody was telling me, Sachus, make we know they talk all this kind of thing now, and make we know they bring negative limelights to Bukayo Saka. Come on! You see the truth, say the truth, speak truth to power, regardless of whose ox is God. What they look say because Bukayo Saka make they cover evil. Something way no good. Saka no they give and pass. Two truths can coexist. Saka no they give and pass, he needs to improve. Gyökeres need to also do more, need to improve. Me, I know they shield anybody. Anybody do any, I go collect, I go bring them to the limelight. So my own be say, make Ateta follow them talk. You get, maybe they give the boy more pass, making the throw him. That is where me I stand. So all those when they enter my DM, they say, as I choose, waiting that you talk about Bukayo Saka, no good. I beg you. Now, anyway, I don't want to talk. I don't just want to talk. Now, when you see waiting Estival do against Arsenal, that guy most dribbles, most dwells won. It's one pass accuracy, 6 touches in the opposition box, 5. The guy really shine yesterday. Thank God, no score, but he really like in display for that match will play. Now, away from that, Paul Merson can predict what we go do with Nottingham Forest. You get He also predicts Man City, Manchester United, the Manchester derby. He said Man City will beat them 3-1. But for our own, he said we will beat Nottingham Forest, I think 2-0. So the way we need to talk, well, Nottingham Forest, they don't play a Carabao Cup, a BFA Cup. They rest players, you get. So, but that one no see me. We're supposed to beat them because that's why the likes of abilities they no play. On the Madueke, I will not be surprised if you be seeing on the back Madueke starts against Nottingham Forest. I will not be surprised. Nottingham Forest, I never really like observe their game. How did they play? You get gonna Sean Dyche. That man like cross and nod. So I don't know whether their players don't come back because against Manchester City they played that time. Chris Wood was not available. Some people Taiwo Awoniyi. They get many players out. Now Igor Jesus. Now go there, but I never know. Maybe tomorrow, I will go check who did there, who no did there. Now, for that same Chelsea game, get another thing will happen. We I don't even observe. Now today I just see for the reports. So the Daily Mail going to bring exclusive video to show where Declan Rice and Arsenal assistant manager almost won fight. What it caused the fight? I don't really know. But they were arguing so loud that lip readers could read their lip. You get. So for what did happen, they said Declan Rice, they talk, say the guy don't know anything. Like, get up, come on here, Joe. You don't know what they do. All those kind, like he doesn't know what the hell is on about. Now Gabriel Magalhaes come, they settle and say, hey, Rice, it's okay, it's okay. Stevenberg, you say, calm down, they go, they go front. Because Stevenberg, they go. I don't know what the Rice tell like, stop, turn back. This now when we want to enter second half for the Chelsea game. When we want to enter second half. Now this begin they happen. So the video is out. I watched the video. They did for the tunnel. When they actually come outside. Yes. So you will see when Stevenberg did there. Stevenberg 9 wear that tracksuit with turn back. They face Declan Rice. Instead of to go where they go. Declan Rice, they full on talking, they full on talk also. But at the end of the day, Magalhaes said to them. Then when the match don't end, Declan Rice still hug Stevenberg. So I want to believe, say, they already settled their differences. It is passion, it gets in the heat of the game. It happen like that, get when emotions you just cloud the judgment and start misbehaving. Again. So thank God say you no reach. You no reach to couple anybody. So it happen. It happen. So man just die that one. Because thank God say I see where they hug because people already they run narrative for social media say the Rice is very disrespectful, this and that. But thank God say they don't like sort their differences. Now talking about confrontation, even Roy Keane and Ian Wright self when they argue about Martinelli, say why Martinelli go push Conor Bradley. So now wetin Roy Keane dey talk. So Ian Wright go dey try to explain am to say wetin you dey talk now? Wetin you dey talk? Say Roy Keane don't go there. Don't go there with Martinelli. You know what you are doing with your stupid, smiling, moody Father Christmas face. Hey! Omo. Omo, I say that much. Now Chelsea Arsenal dey analyze omo Ian para as in Ian para for am. Yes, Ian could explain to us say see the game is running down. Conor Bradley has kicked it out. As he has kicked it out, Martinelli is just waiting to go and get the ball and throw his corner. He didn't even see the guy twist his ankle or knee or whatever. So that is what he was. When he came back and saw him on the floor, he thinks he's wasting time. It was that simple. So I don't understand why you're trying to make Martinelli look like the fall guy or the bad guy. Yes. They thank God for waiting and slot talk. Not be small arguments, but later, they see sort their own arguments at normal level. Now, surprisingly, I saw this report from AFC Camden. Say before Semenyo joined Manchester City, Semenyo actually reached out to Arsenal, tried to pull out an ability. When they ask them, say, how far? Now, would like to send me for January, now get plan, or we get now give me guarantee, say end of season I go sign me. So Arsenal say, oh, there are no guarantees. So that's why Baba fine in square root get. So this particular news has not been reciprocated or like reiterated by other big wigs we have in this industry. But AFC Camden said don't drop some kind of scoops in the past. So we say, myself, they will tell you say Ben White don't come back from injury, go die available. Nobody go don't talk him. Lineup will come, you go see Ben White. So since then, I hold them in high esteem. So maybe this is the way that they talk, if it be true. But some people don't talk, say, they don't trust them, but it could be true. And them also call to tell us for the summer, Arsenal, they really say they want to sign Antonio Gordon for that left flank. See, then say no say that left flank, we need to fix it up. You get? So there's a possibility that Martinelli is going to play. This is his last season. The possibility is there. It may happen, it may not happen, but make our mind day. You get me? No, like so when it happens, I say, hey, they don't do Martinelli bad thing. All right, away from that, let's quickly bring you a message from one of our sponsors in Madame Adobe, who has this Turkish furniture for sale. You get? So this Turkish furniture It's a complete set where they get available for sale. So they get 2 3-seater chairs, 2 single-seater chairs, 3 side tables, 1 center table, big size dining table, 6 pieces of dining seats, and 6 throw pillows. Now, if you are interested in this quality furniture we them bring from Turkey, so make you contact Madam Adobe on 080206 02634, and the location of this furniture is Shongotedo at Lagos, Nigeria. So if you're interested, her number is at the bottom of the screen. Make it no waste time. Make it give her a call ASAP. Also, we could bring you a message from Dove and Dove International Academy, Ikene, Ogun State, Nigeria. And they bring you the first private professional football academy in Nigeria and West Africa, combining academics and sports. Now, some of the benefits you would enjoy at Dove and Dove International include trials and placements at an academy in the United Kingdom and Europe, as well as at college and university scholarships. Now, they will also give you exposure to local and international media. Admission is ongoing into JSS 1 to 3 and SS 1 to 3. So if you're interested in this international school with the combined academics and sports, make you contact Dove and Dove at +23480 6686 6665 or +23481 5628 25262 to get started. Their number is also at the bottom of the screen, so make you get in touch with them ASAP. You get. So now, away from that, so I can't say this particular story. My Gabriel Martinelli can't like thank all the Arsenal fans for their support. Say you don't reach and 250 games for Arsenal, saying they're very, very proud from the first game to now. Thank you for your support. Baba, we did with 200. Get to be our boy. We did your back, not to the sub. You get God will do it for you. Yeah, God will do it for you. Go help us win the league. Now, Gabriel Magalhaes, during in celebrating when Gyökeres score, so they say Magalhaes they celebrate. All the guys say push him go celebrate with the fans. So they are his like biggest cheerleaders. They really, really want him to score. So are they happy for the team? All of them are our players. I will everybody support them at normal level. Now, why Chelsea and Arsenal's first goal versus Arsenal stood and Man City own no stand? So there's this controversy in the social media space. People got to say nobody the same thing. Why they go cancel Eliala on? They say now offside. Semenyo go say now Eliala cause the offside. Arsenal will not be offside. So one of the Give Me Sports in-house journalists can they explain why they no cancel the goal. So rules expert Johnson believes that the decision to reach both games were correct. The decisions reached. Now he gonna explain say the guy wey dey with Gyökeres, that one turn him back. He no even dey look the ball. So you no go talk say maybe Gyökeres dey block the guy when the guy no play ball. The guy turn him back. So that is quite different compared to Eliala. No be say Eliala dey look ball, you hold that guy, make sure say you no dey go anywhere. So the two situations are quite different for those wey they call the two things at the same thing. So that's why the referee no actually blow anything. Now, we can also bring you a message from another of our sponsors in Mobile Wealth Associates and Co Limited. They are into construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate, and shore protection works. They are also into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, call them on +234 80 34, and they're located at number 7 Kennywood Road, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. So if you're interested in any of their services, please do reach out to them. So my dear Arsenal lovers, I think it's a fine place for us to call the show and end. Like come your way and tomorrow morning to give you the morning news. So then thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your night. Now good night. I'll get out. Right, guys. Ciao.